everyone, we're at the steam plant today doing some carp fishing. So what I'm using for bait is my good old trusty sweet corn. I mixed in the strawberry jello that I always do, and I was putting like 4 kernels or so on each hook, and I'm throwing it out there, and it's probably about 15 foot deep out there, so where I'm aiming at, and hopefully we'll do some good today and catch some good fish. That's the first time I've been out at the steam plant this year for carp fishing, so hopefully we'll come out a lot more. And yeah, I might be able to do some YouTube live at the same time too. We'll have to see if I can get that going or not. But stay tuned, y'all, and hopefully you'll see me catch some fish here. Got one on here.
Suck me in smoke,
Yeah,
breathe
he's on.
me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with a nasty bite. I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Suck me in smoke, breathe me in and
You hear it, guys? He's on. There we go, we got him.
sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with a nasty bite. In the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control.
You hear that drag, guys?
Suck me in smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with a nasty bite. I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control.
There he goes. There he goes. You can get him here. Uh-oh. This one here is getting hit. Yep, it's getting hit. Let's get a good look at this one. Yep. Oh yeah, it's going. Alright, goodbye. Oh man, it's really going. He's there, we got him. Oh, yeah, we got him. He's there. Woo, back to back just like that, guys.
Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking as a lost control. Oh, it's paradise with a nasty bad eye. In the dead of the night, teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control.
There he goes. He's got it. Yep.
Every time we start locking as a lost control. Oh, it's paradise with a nasty bad in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go.
Alright, where's the hook at? Good hook set too, right in the bottom of your lip. Oh, it's a good one. He's probably double digits. £11, yeah? Cool. Cool. Another good fish.
The pain is over, feel the darkness take control.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. I had a pretty good day out there at the Cummins City Steam Plant. Caught 5 good carp, 2 of them ranging in the double digits. The bait I was using, like I said in the beginning of the video, was a strawberry corn and jello mixture. It's like my go-to bait out there. They love it. They always bite at it, and it hasn't failed me yet. So that's a good thing. I am looking into doing YouTube Live, like I said, guys. I just have to wait and get a good proper setup for y'all. And hopefully y'all be interested in watching me do that. If y'all are interested, let me know in the comments down below. I would greatly appreciate the input. Also, if y'all like my new videos and the way I've been setting them up, please do let me know down below too in the comments. I do like doing them this way. I think they're a little more fun to watch. Like I said, let me know down below and just give me a heads up what if y'all do or do not like it. Other than that, y'all, if you're new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button. If you like the video itself, please hit the like button too. And other than that, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.